Hi, welcome. We are still in Chapter 9, Spatial Illusions, and we're working on the exercise called 9-L3 that's due in this particular chapter. One of the students had a question about it, so I'm just going to real quickly do a brief demo to help you get started. So we are going to open 9L3-1. Or you can draw your own paths. Now I'll do a, whoops, I think I already have it open. Let's see if we can find it here. Yep, here it is. It says you can either draw one side or edge called a profile of an object that when revolved around an axis will produce a symmetrical shape. So in this instance, we are going to use the textbook image, and it looks like they've drawn just one side of a water bottle. So we are going to select this profile, and you'll want to use your black selection tool. Select it, and then go under Effect, and then we're going to go down to 3D, and we're going to pull up the Revolve options. And then we are going to turn on the preview so we can, as we make adjustments, see how this impacts it. Well, that's kind of interesting. All right, with these default settings, minus 18 degrees on the rotation around the X. This is rotation around the Y-axis, that's minus 26 degrees. And then this is, again, specifying rotation around the Z-axis. The angle is, for the revolve, is 360 degrees, and we're using a cap, and we are going to change the offset, not the points, but rather that from the left edge to the right edge, and let's see what the impact is. Right, let's again look at it as it is from the left edge, changing it to the right edge, and you can see the impact on the image already. That's the completed revolve. The color of the completed object is specified by the stroke color of the original path. So if you want to alter that, select the object's original path and change the stroke color. So I am going to cancel out of here. I'm going to go back out here and get the stroke color. And let's see, what will this allow us to do? I'm just going to choose a light blue since it's probably something like what we want. I would love to be able to do this for a gradient, but I don't think it's going to allow us to do that. For this, we'd have to change it up a bit. So I'm just going to stay with the textbook for right now, and we are going to change up this color. Again, going to change it to a light blue, and then we're going to go back into the Effect, back to 3D, and we're going to go to Revolve, and we are going to again preview it so we can see the impact. This is doing it from the left edge. It looks almost like a candle holder, but now we're going to change this to the right edge. And so again, that looks like it's something similar to a water bottle. All right, and again, you can do that by creating your own path. Let's see, if you want to fine-tune the original path, I'll go ahead and follow this through. To fine-tune the original path, we're going to select and move individual anchor points with the direct selection tool, and then the object is going to update with each new adjustment. So we're going to go here, and we are going to find a different anchor point. And see if we can't get it similar to the original. Or if you want, rather than having one filled with water, you can also draw your own path to create your own shape, which I think is kind of a cool thing to do as well. And again, that's quite easily done. If you want to do it with the pen tool, and obviously I'm just creating basic shapes here. Is it Command? I thought it was Command that would allow us to change this. So I'll just go up and get the selection tool. And there you go. Now let's again change the color. Something bright and sunny since it's a little cloudy and overcast today. Now we're going to go to Effect. We're going to go down to 3D. We're going to Revolve. You want to make sure that you've got the preview. And you'll see that this, I was trying to get the swatches out of the way, which of course is not going to allow us to do that. That's from the left edge. Let's try it from the right edge. And then click OK. And now we've made our own shape. Okay, and hopefully that helps a little bit. If you have any questions or requests for another demo, please let me know. Thanks.